Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Square payments for appointment-based services. To get started with authorizing Square payments for appointment-based services, first, open your Square app or visit the Square website. If you're using the app, log in with your Square credentials. For the website, locate the login button at the top right corner and enter your account details. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account and Settings section. In this section, find and select the Payments option. Make sure your payment processing is enabled. If it's not, click on the button to set it up. You will be prompted to enter your business information. Fill in the required fields, such as your business name, address, and tax information. Next, add your banking details where you would like to receive payments. This may include your bank account number and routing number. Once you've entered your banking information, review the details for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, click on the Save button. Next, go to the Appointments feature in the Square dashboard. Select Settings within the Appointments section. Look for payment settings specifically linked to appointments. From here, set up your payment options for clients booking appointments. You can choose to require upfront payments or allow for payment after the service. Once your preferences are set, make sure to save those changes. Test your setup to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. You can do this by creating a test appointment and processing a payment. Monitor your Square account for any transactions to ensure payments are being authorized. Once everything is verified, you are ready to start accepting appointments and payments. Congratulations, you've successfully authorized Square payments for your appointment-based services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.